is Koka Nikoladze. I'm a composer and sometimes I make musical instruments like this. And today I'm going to get a MIDI jacket. It's been blinking, right? So let's turn this on. Wonderful, it works. So upper note, it says upper note when I raise my hand and I push a little button here. By the way, I get a tactile feedback, or it buzzes very shortly when I press it. Yes, it works. Wonderful. That means that I can turn it on like this. And turn it off when I just held my hand down. Button here. So every time I press a button, there is a hit, and every time I release it, there is another hit. So let's see. And it's quite responsive. Love it.